Hey everyone, Dr. Frank Garza here, and just kind of want to share some light here with what's going on at Pure Physical Therapy and what's going on in our lives. I know, there's a lot of uncertainty right now with everything that's going on in the world, and especially, the lives that are being impacted by what's going on with this virus. And, I just want to let you into our lives here as to what's going on and what we're doing and how we're persevering through this tough time. It's times like this that I think we need people and we need everyone as a community to come together and get through this. And I'm reaching out to you because I just want to share some concerns at the same time, give you some updates as to what we're doing and how we're combating this together as a family, as a company, and as a community to get through this, because I honestly feel that we will, because I have faith and I know that the lovely people that are in our circle have faith, and you guys have been exceptionally great with our company, so I know that together we can make a difference. But first, my main concern in what's going on right now, and one of the top concern is obviously our teammates, right? And that's my office. That's Mario and Ruben, our licensed therapists, myself, my wife, we're all licensed therapists. But I got Bruce, I got Clarissa, I got Troy, I got Annalise, I got Alex. It's a lot of people, okay? A lot of people that I worry about every 2 weeks, whether they're gonna be fine or not, because we provide an environment where they can come make a wage, right? And with all this talk around the world and layoffs and unemployment and whatnot, it's concerning and it hurts that that we're in that situation because of a virus and how things have changed so quickly. So having to have those talks with my teammates, with my licensed therapists about the possibilities of cutting hours, maybe possibly laying off and coming back, or even possibly shutting down, has been very, very hard for me, for Amy, and for my teammates, because here we are doing a great job at what we do, and all of a sudden something that we cannot control, a virus, puts us in this situation, and it's not a win for anybody. It's a bad situation for all of us here. So, concerned about my teammates, but I will tell you that they're the best teammates that we have here. Those are the individuals that have treated you when you come in, and they continue to treat you if you're still coming in, because they do a great job. So the fact that we're in here and I have to have those conversations is hard and it's concerning, but I feel like we're gonna get through this together. And after having those conversations with them, I know that they're a great team because they're open to change and they're open to help, and they're rallying around the situation to make it better. So hats off goes to my teammates. The second group of concern, or the other concern that I have, is you, our patients, our clientele. You are the ones that put food on our tables. You come in here, you get a service, and in return, we're able to provide for my family, for my wife, for my kids. And knowing and seeing that some of you have to stay home because of this breaks my heart, because I know that you need us. And at the same time, we need you, because you're the driving force for our business. And, it hurts to see that. But again, I know the type of patients that we have, and I know that you guys will pull together and pull through and support us when we come out of this. So I just want to thank you for being a part of our family and for continuing to support us, and let you know that I truly believe we're gonna get you back into the clinic again and get you better. But most importantly, we want you to be safe. If you're in that classification where you are elderly and ill, you have to stay home. You have to make that decision, because that's the best decision for you. And we want you to be, the most healthy and make the right choice. So we support you. But I'm just here to tell you that we're here for you when it all is over and when we rebound and get back. And we're gonna have our doors open and ready for you to come back, because like we said, we need each other. So none of this is a good time. They're all difficult decisions that we have to make, but we have to look out for the best interests of ourselves, And for me, you know, that's my clients. So if you have to stay home because you're ill, I totally get it, and I support you in that. And there's ways that we can call you over the phone and check up on you, and you know, still provide a service over the phone. So we can talk about that later. And if you have any questions, just send a reply to the email, and we'll get you on the list where we can call you and get that service out to you. The other concern that I have for it is our community. You know, Amy and I, you know, Amy's originally from Ohio. I'm originally from Starr County, but we've been living here in McAllen for over 10 years. And we call Hidalgo County and McAllen our home. You know, that's where our kids were born. That's where they've been raised. We're currently remodeling a house, and you know, there's a lot of things going on, but we decided, you know, that we were going to call this home and grow our business and expand our business. At one point, we thought that wasn't going to be something in the works, but as of last year, you know, we committed to a long-term place in our business with our building, and we expanded, and we have plans to stay here and continue to expand. So I just want to tell you that we love this community, and you know, we're all about helping the community, and we want to do the best we can for the community. And you know, making those decisions to stay open with our staff is again a hard decision, because we're trying to do the best for everybody. But rest assured, you know, we are doing everything we got to do. We are abiding by the CDC guidelines. We are following all the social distancing rules, and you know, to be honest, we're a necessity for some people. So you know, this business will remain operational. We have made changes. There will be some hours cut back, and there will be some, you know, slots that won't be filled because we're condensing the schedule. But you know, we have to be committed to our service for people and the community, and you know, that's what we're going to strive to do here, and that's our main message with what we're doing with the community. You know, if any of you have any questions or need anything, please feel free to reply to this email or call our office. But we really, really, really love the community, and we want to stay a part of it for the longest time. And we just want to let you know that we're all in this together as one community. The last thing I want to talk about is, you know, the concern that I have for our company. You know, with all the changes that we're trying to make and all the strategies that we're trying to implement, know that they're for the longevity of our company, Pure Physical Therapy. And I'm biased, obviously, because it is our company, but we've spent over 10 years trying to build what we've built, and it hurts to see that the last 2 years have been some of the best years of our company's existence, and it has to be a virus that we can't control put us in the situations that we're in. But I'm deeply concerned for our company. It's, you know, a concern that all companies are having right now. Small businesses in general are having to talk about layoffs and what they're going to do because of this disaster or this epidemic or this crisis. So yes, I'm concerned about the company, but that's where we need each other more than ever. Okay? I need you to be open to some of the suggestions that we might ask of you for visits, you know, over the phone or over the computer, if that's something that, you know, you want to do because you don't want to come in. And I need you to be connected with us through our Facebook and through our email so that you can stay in tune with the updates and what's going on, so that when we are ready to get you back in, you're on one of the first slots on our schedule. It's a tough time for our team. It's tough. But I think we have one of the best teams in the industry. I tell you that because I hear it from patients. Patients tell me all the time, man, you got a great team. Man, that therapist is amazing. You know, and the fear of, you know, having to let them go and start over is devastating. But I don't want that to happen. My mindset doesn't want that to happen. And I honestly feel that it doesn't have to happen, but it is a concern. So just look out for any updates that may come your way. You know, keep in tune with our social media and our Facebook page. But I want to tell you that we're still operational. We're not shutting down. We're an essential service, and we need you just as much as you need us. So I want to leave you with this. I just want to let you know that we're doing the best we can with what we've got. And in the coming weeks, there may be some changes, but rest assured that the service is still going to be top notch, and that we're here for you. Again, these are tough times for everybody, and none of these are easy decisions. But, with the faith and with the power of numbers and everybody doing their part, I honestly think we can overcome this. But know that we're here for you. Know that we're still operational. Know that we're doing everything we can to abide by all the guidelines to keep you safe, keep ourselves safe, and our staff safe. If you have any questions or concerns, please reply to the email or call our office at 956-994-8880. We'll see you soon.